Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error code 0x80600025, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your Xbox app, and here what you're going to do is you're going to click onto your username, click onto support, then click onto gaming services repair tool, and then click start repairing now. Click yes on here, wait for it to do its thing. After that, close this up, sign out from your Xbox account, and then close the Xbox app and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. You're going to right click on your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just right click on it, click properties, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, write on here 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, click OK here, click OK again, and now you're going to open up the Xbox app. You're going to go ahead and sign in on your account. After you're done signing in, minimize the Xbox app, open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, install files, and then click verify integrity of game files here. While it's verifying your games files, you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here services.msc. Now you're going to look for any service with the name NI domain. So just click onto any service, press N on your keyboard, and look for any service with the name NI domain service. If you find any service like that, right click on it, click properties, click on to stop here, and then click startup type, set it to disabled. After that, click apply. Okay, and now you can go ahead and play Forza Horizon 6, and you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.